do a quick PSA about this. I would like to know, you could send these questions to the Ask Pierre portal, or you can email me directly at mbownersforlife@bellsouth or gmail.com. If you're going to Amelia Island this year, let me know, because I would like to have some kind of event with my subscribers. Maybe we'll go get dinner or something. I'm going to be staying out near the Jacksonville airport because hotel and lodging on the island this year was totally filled up. And because Elaine decided she wanted to stay near the airport because there are a bunch of restaurants there. So when you have a 1-year-old baby, you want to put the baby in the baby's interests first, which of course I want to do. So you guys can come see me. I'm going to bring my red 85 300 TD. Bring your Mercedes as well. The other thing is that in our video about 5 underappreciated Mercedes, we're going to do a re-upload at some point with pictures of the cars. So please be patient. And then last but not least, I'd like to remind all of you to keep watching my technical videos, because remember, nobody's giving this information out. This is information sometimes that isn't even available on web forums. Enjoy working on your Mercedes Benz. Like, subscribe, thumbs up. If you have anything to add to the conversation, leave a comment below so our other subscribers can learn from it. And, you know, enjoy working on your classic Mercedes. It's a lot of fun.